Okay, really quick introduction to HP5. First of all, we'll just have to go to the topic area that we'd like to put it into. We'll go to the bottom of that and we'll clearly just hit add activity or resource. We'll go to H5P. We'll put in a little descriptor there, and I'll skip some of the rest of this, and I'm going to choose which of these I want to do. You'll see there are quite a few different options here. I really have only found a whole lot of value in the one interactive video, so I'll do that. Now you can put your own video in, or you can put in a link for like a YouTube video, and you'll just click upload video, and then you'll be able to do that, or just go ahead and put in that URL. And after you do that and paste that in, you'll clearly just hit insert, and now it's pretty much going to be ready to go. Some of this is a little slow, so be conscious of that. You've got some choices down here, but we're not going to go over those in this video. We'll go to add interactions, and this is where the value lies, and you'll look at the top of that and you'll see really that there's a bunch of different interactions you can put in there, and we'll be going over these individually in the meeting today. But we'll just see what they have to say, and we'll go over the distinction of what a single choice is and a multiple choice. True false questions are fairly evident. Drag and drop is sort of cool. Mark the words is awesome. Drag text is okay. Crossroads is interesting, and hotspots we'll get to. So that's the whole shebang.